I got that California.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to do the freeze transition on TikTok. The apps you need for this are iMovie and VideoStar. First, you need to record your slow-mo video. So here's an example of one of my slow-mos. So let's get on to the tutorial. So what you need to do is you need to go to iMovie first, press the plus, and press Movie. Press your video, and press Create Movie. Go to the front of your video, and don't worry, I'll turn the video around because I know it's sideways. So I'm going to cut the excess part that I don't need, that's not supposed to be a part of it. So right there. So you click on the video and you press split. And then you click on the other video, that's the excess, and you press delete. Look at that and see if it's right. Okay. Now this is the freezing part. So you're going to press play, and when you throw it into the air, right about there, you're going to press split, and then play it again. Okay, and then split, and then you press on the video when you're throwing it up, and you go to the circle with the arrow pointing about that way, I guess, and you'll press freeze, the word freeze, and then you're going to take the video, and you're going to do like that, shrink it down to where it starts to freeze. So that's not the perfect time to freeze, so we're going to take that back. There we go. So right about there, I'm guessing. So we're going to undo all this. So right about there, it will be frozen. Okay. Freeze. There we go. That's better. So we're going to do like that. And then you're going to do like that, and it freezes and stops. Okay. Now we're going to split that part because it's a lot of frozen part. We don't need that. So now we have that. So we're going to press the plus right there. We're going to press that, press video, press recently added, and go to the video with the thing, and you press 3 dots and the line with the little plus on the bottom. And then that adds the music, and it doesn't add the actual video, it just adds the audio. So there you go. And you can cut the excess part that doesn't have the music on it. And so here's the video again. So there you go, and then you press done, and then there's a box with an arrow going up. So you press that, and you press save video with the box and the arrow going down. And you can pick the highest one. I pick HD 720p because it's the best quality, because the other one's kind of like I don't know, pixel it some. I'm not sure what you call it, but it kind of mess it up. Okay, now this is the part where you need Video Star, so you'll click Video Star. And if you don't have this app, it's on the App Store, so you can just download it on there. I don't know what that is. Press the plus in Video Star and press Edit Video. You press Recently Added, and the video you just edited. And then there's an arrow going like that, and so you press that, and it makes the video go to the right direction. Then you press Make Video. It's going to say Processing. And then you're going to play the video. Then you press Edit and Split Scene. Then you press Split. And make sure the little white circle is in the right spot, so it would be right here for me. Then you press New and Re-Effect Clip. And you press Plus. And there's these 9 dots. And I usually take Wiggle from it. So you can go all the way to the last option or the second to last option. Yeah, second to last, and it says Wiggle. Or you can search it up with the little magnifier over there. So that's the usual thing I put it at. And you can increase it, but I about leave it right there. You can have it a little bit less intense, and then you can have it right there. And there's a paintbrush, and you can do filters. So I usually do something called, the filter called, it's called Hue Shift. And don't pick the one without the arrow going in a full circle. Pick the one that has the full circle. Pick that, and you go, and it changes everything. It looks super cool. And then you can press the arrow that's going down. Press that, and press Quick FX. So you have your effects, so you can do like this. So there's my video right there. I'm going to play it again. Then after that, you press the X. It's not going to exit everything. You're just going to go to the page, and you're going to press the box with the arrow going up again, and you press Send to Camera Roll. It's going to process and create video, and then you have your video right there. So I'm going to play my finishing product for y'all for the last time, and yeah. So there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell. And have a great rest of your day, or good night, or good morning. Bye!